Hey guys, Marcus Richards here on behalf of Big Variety of Vids, and today we're going to start up our Long 360 tractor. It is perfectly stock. It has no modifications. The temperature outside now, roughly about 45, 50, so it's not too cold of a start. That's Fahrenheit. We rebuilt it a couple years ago. It's kind of always been in kind of a bad shape, but it's probably the strongest running tractor we have. We have a 4505 Mahindra, and the Long it seems pretty strong. So if you want, I'll go ahead, make sure that's out of gear, switch is good, it's down. We'll go ahead and give it a start here. Let's see, give it a little gas. Okay, make sure we're good. Get the switch. Here we go. So yeah, it works exceptionally well for as old as it is. And running at about, looks to be about 90 oil PSI. We rebuilt it a couple years ago, so yeah, it's a pretty good tractor. Go ahead, choke it off. So yeah guys, that is our Long 360 tractor. Very good. I said kind of a cold start, and you could definitely tell. Where I paused, I had to make sure that I didn't have the choke out on it, else it wouldn't have started. I probably should have primed it first. But yeah, all around a good tractor. We go to the back. Good PTO, has one remote. Of course it's diesel, and that's pretty much about it, other than it does have a 8 forward, 2 reverse. So right here is the UTB, has the UTB style engine. UTB, Fiat, they all have the same, it's the same setup. Runs exceptionally well. And anyway guys, that's pretty much about it. We'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.